Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions and you got to reply. Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, of course. I like meeting with new peoples, and it's very wonderful for me when I met the new peoples around me.
Okay,
Sometimes,
now listen, people's is the wrong word. And first sentence was in the present, second was in the past. That's wrong. You should stick to one tense. And my question is in present, so your answer must be in past. For example, do you like meeting new people? Now, if you say, I like meeting new people, simple speaking, simple language.
okay,
Do you like meeting new people? You say, I always find it exciting to come across people who are new to me. Exciting, come across. These things will improve your bench score. Otherwise, do you like meeting new people? Yes, I like meeting new people. People are good. People are this. People are repetition. Low bench score. Okay. Now let's go on. How do you how do you feel when people welcome you?
obviously, I feel very great, and if someone
If someone welcomes me,
welcomes to me,
no, not to. If someone welcomes me,
welcomes me, and obviously it's pleasant for me, and very humble and very great to meet them.
no, see, it's humble and great to meet them. There, you broke the sentence structure. So you can say, I'm
Meet them.
always very humble when I meet new people. Okay,
Okay.
met them is wrong, present tense. So you should focus your tenses as well. Next, do you often meet new people?
Yes, I often meet new people. Recently, I meet
I met. Recently means past. Recently, I have met.
okay. Recently, I met my fellow in my class. That person was very great and humble and very supportive to me. So that's why that experience was very great.
Okay, can you tell if you like someone when you meet them for the first time?
Yes, sometime some people first time meet them very great and very social connecting. So kind of that person, it's depend on him or her. What's the nature of him or her?
Okay, so you've got serious issues with grammar, and in grammar, sentence structure is your main problem. You should try to learn proper sentence structure, subject, verb, object. Okay, let's go on. I'm going to ask you some questions.
Yes,
Speaking
sir.
part one. What do you like to talk about?
I always feel good to talk about politics and recent events occurred in our in around, and it boosts me my confidence as well to talk about the certain things that I haven't interested in the past. So I feel good talking
Okay,
about.
all right. Have your discussion topics changed since you were a child?
Yes, definitely. When I was a child, I used to discuss things like sports, in particular, cricket. Now it has changed. My thoughts have been improved since then. It's bit mature. So now I talk about politics and the events in occurring in the current world and in Pakistan and around us.
Okay, this is better, reasonable. Do you change your opinion frequently?
Yes, I do change my opinion. My opinion is based on the facts. When someone said you are
When
at
someone
wrong side,
says,
when someone says you are at wrong side, I change my opinion, and it doesn't harm my personality.
all right, do you prefer to talk or to listen?
I feel good listening to someone because I it can help me in getting the ideas, and I in future I can work on it. So I'm a bit more a good listener.
Okay, overall, your answers are good. Just you need more practice to
Yes.
add a couple of sentences and you'll be fine, right?
Thank
Thank you very
thank you,
much.
Mangesh.
Thank you.